Hello everyone, I'm standing right now next to a cute nutria and I'm right now in the beautiful Hula Nature Reserve. Good morning from beautiful Hula Nature Reserve. Well, our story here is quite happy, then a bit sad, and then happier again, because it begins with the Hula Lake that used to be right here. It was way bigger than it is right now, and with the establishment of Israel, the government tried to find solutions to the lack of having um, enough agriculture fields. So the solution was to dry out this entire area that used to be swamp and to send all the water through Jordan River to the Sea of Galilee. There was only one problem. Apparently, the soil here, the land, was very, very bad for agriculture. As a part of this process, unfortunately, an endemic species means a species that lived only here. Its name was Hula, painted frog, in Hebrew, agolashon, shachor gachon, got extinct, never to be found again. Or is it? Because actually a couple of years ago, one of those frogs was found here. So basically it was not extinct, but very, very close to it. Somehow nature found a way. These cute guys here are the nutrias. They were brought here from colder places for their fur. You see? Some of them got escaped, some of them got released here, and ever since we can see them running around here in the area of Hula. And about today, well, the nature reserve and the Hula Lake are not as big as Hula used to be in the past, but yet it is still a place for birds to stop on their annual migration on the way to and from Africa, and it's a nature reserve here to help protecting the birds and the other animals that are here, and above all, beautiful sight. As visitors here, you will be able to watch also the Euphoria video, which is off in Hebrew means a bird, so it's basically Euphoria of birds. It's a video of 20 minutes, it's a 4D, and it takes you to the journey with the birds from Africa all the way to Europe with a stop here in Hula. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. In my Facebook page, you'll be able to find many, many more beautiful videos about our lovely Israel. You want to be a part of it? You want to come joining me traveling Israel? Then press like, contact me, and see you in Israel. Bye-bye.